Unscrew the threaded cap on the skid. Remove the internal stainless steel retaining ring accessory. Use a screwdriver to loosen the fastening screws on both sides of the retaining ring. Mount the retaining ring on the camera's spring interface. Align the screw with a deeper groove face and retighten. Tighten the fastening screws on the other side as well. After installation, a small gap at the connector is normal. Thread the skid through the cable connector. Align the alignment grooves of the cable connector and the camera. Then tighten the knurled nut clockwise. Secure the bracket front to the camera housing and tighten the rear cover. Rotate the rear cover's knurled nut to adjust the skid for conduit size. Rotate counterclockwise to enlarge, clockwise to reduce. Tighten the black thumb screws on both sides of the skid to secure it in place.